Hey, what's up everyone? Keith Weldon here from Chill Seekers, and I just wanted to show you guys this white noise machine I picked up. So I bought this white noise machine. You can see here, here's the box for it. And I actually picked this up at Walmart. It was sort of the mid price range. They had a few of them to choose from. And all it is, it's meant for sleeping. A lot of people like white noise when they sleep. And that's basically what this is. It has a bunch of different sounds. So here it is from Homedics. It has a few different sounds to choose from. Thunder, summer night, ocean, brook, white noise, and rain. So I picked this up. I'm probably going to use it when I sleep too. I like having white noise when I sleep, but I'm going to use it for some EVP sessions. So just briefly, the way spirits communicate is they manipulate sound. I do believe they can communicate in other ways through electronic devices and things like that. But for the most part, with a lot of the communication is done through manipulation of sound. However, they're doing it, modulating and manipulating sound waves. But that seems to be the main way that they communicate. So for instance, when you're doing an EVP session with a recorder, now you might think you're just in a quiet room with no white noise, but actually the ambient sound of the room itself is kind of like white noise. So just that ambient sound they can manipulate to create EVPs. That's why a lot of times it's very faint, kind of whisper sounding, because there's not a lot of noises. And the same thing can be applied to like the ITC apps and radio ghost boxes, but those provide a lots of sounds and different frequencies and things like that. Elements of speech, and spirits can use those to manipulate and create speech, and that's why it's usually so much more direct and clear. It's because there's a lot more sounds and different, like I said, parts of speech and stuff they can use to really come through clearly and communicate. And that's why a lot of apps and radio ghost boxes get really amazing communication. The same thing can be applied to EVPs, and in this instance, I'm going to be using a white noise machine to provide some sounds for spirits to use to manipulate and create EVPs on a digital recorder. I've done this before, not with the white noise machine, but like I would go next to running water or things like that and do EVP sessions, and it does increase the amount of EVPs that you get and the clarity of the EVPs. So white noise does help in a way for EVPs, just because it provides more sounds for the spirits to use, just like apps and ghost boxes provide way more sounds and other elements as well for spirits to really come through and communicate. But today I'm gonna be using the white noise machine. I'm gonna try every setting, all the different modes that it has, and I'm gonna see if I can get an EVP to come through. Now I'm at my house. There has been activity in this house. We do believe it's somewhat haunted. It's not super active here, and I've done a few EVP sessions in the past, and I've yet to actually capture an EVP here. So I'm hoping that using this white noise machine, I'll actually be able to capture my first EVP inside my house. So here we go, guys. I got this set up here in the kitchen. This does have, I believe, batteries that you can put in here, but since I'm at home, I'm just gonna use the AC adapter plugged in, and here's the digital recorder that I'm using. Pretty basic, kind of old school Olympus, the VN 4100 PC. I've gotten some EVPs with it, so I kind of like this one. It's kind of my go-to recorder right now. I have like 10 recorders, but This is the one I like right now. I would like to get my hands on a DR60 at some point, but you know, if you know anything about those, they're super expensive and rare. But for now, this is kind of my main recorder. So anyway, I'm going to turn this on. Okay, it's on thunder right now. Let's turn up the volume so you can hear the thunder. I'm gonna do every setting on here. And I'm gonna do quick EVP like burst sessions just to see if an EVP can come through. So here we go, guys. Are there any spirits inside my house? Can you tell me your name, please? Who are you? Let's play this back. Inside my house. Inside my house. Okay, I think I might have heard something really faint, but I'm not really sure. Let's turn this down. It seemed it was really overpowering. And let's switch it to Summer Night. Try this again. Let me stand back a little bit. Once again, if you're here, if there are any spirits here that would like to communicate, can you please tell me your name? Where are you from? Okay. Once again. If you're here, if there are any spirits here that would like to communicate. Once again. Once again. Hey guys, I'm actually editing the EVP session right now on my computer right here. Anyway, I just wanted to point out how spirits are manipulating audio. As you can see, when I'm doing the session, there are no EVP voices or anything like that, but when I play back the recording, you can hear that spirits are manipulating the audio from the white noise machine. The machine itself has no speech or voices in it, it's just white noise sounds. But when you record it and you play it back, you can hear they're actually manipulating those sounds to create speech. And this is a clear example that proves just that. Sometimes it happens on my camera's audio, but usually when I direct a spirit to use a device such as a digital recorder, you'll hear it on the digital recorder and not on the camera audio, which is what happened in this case, and which also just further validates that it is audio manipulation. Otherwise you would hear it on the camera as well and coming from the white noise machine, but that's not the case. The the white noise machine does not have any speech, just white noise sounds that they're using and manipulating. Anyway, this is the same way that spirits use ITC apps and radio ghost boxes. And I get asked like often, well, how do spirits use apps to communicate? How do they use internet radio stations or AM FM stations? And it's like they're not using the stations or the, you know, whatever. They're using the sounds that are generated from it. And there are other factors as well with apps and radio ghost boxes that help enhance the communication, whether it's manipulation of the device itself or whatnot. But for the most part, it's the sounds that are coming out of it that spirits are using. So I think that's a lot of people misunderstand how it is that they're communicating. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to editing this. I just wanted to take a second and point that out. I'm gonna show it on a few examples of how there's no EVP and then after they manipulate the audio. I'm not going to do it for every EVP because it's going to take too long, but I'll do it for a few examples, and that's it, guys. Enjoy the video. I don't know, guys. Let's see, let's try Ocean. Can you come through loud and clear, please? I would like to know your name if you can give that to me. Okay, I think I might have heard a faint voice on that one. I'm not too sure. I'll have to review it better later. Let's try Brook. Running water seems to work really well. I've gotten stuff come through on running water sounds, so let's see. Can you use the sound of this running water to tell me your name? Do you have a message? Why are you here? Where are you from?
Sound of this running water to tell me your name.
Okay, guys, I think I did hear something on that. I definitely heard something. So that was cool. I think we definitely got an EVP on that one. Now, white noise. I'm sorry to keep bothering you. I'm trying to see what sound works best for you. So can you use this white noise to tell me who you are? And if you have any message, can you please tell me the message? Use this recording device that I'm holding, this little gray one. See, sometimes they might be manipulating the sound through my camera, so I'm hoping that they're doing it on the recorder. So let's play this back.
So can you use this white noise to tell me who you are?
Okay, and we got one more. Rain. Okay, rain, another running water sound. It seems to work best, so let's try it again. This is the last time I'm gonna ask you. Can you please tell me your name? Please use the sound of this rain to communicate. Who are you? I want to thank you if you did communicate. I really appreciate it.
Tell me your name. Who are you?
Okay, I definitely heard something on that one, guys. So, just in real time right here, I have to go back and review this properly on my computer to really listen. But just playing it back, I definitely heard what sounded like something coming through on the brook and the rain settings. Both water sounds. Those seem to definitely provide the types of sounds that spirits can use. So that was interesting. Like I said, I have to review this still, but that was me trying out this Homedics basically white noise machine. I think it's called like sauna or something. But that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in.